tortoise, crack came to be. This is an African folktale. Mr. Turtle and Mrs. Turtle were with Mr. Vulture, their friend, and the vulture had brought something for a gift for the wife of Turtle, and he brought food for Turtle. And they were very nice about it, and they really wanted to give Vulture something back, but they couldn't think of anything, and Vulture left. And so Turtle said, we really should be nice to Mr. Vulture. He's given us so much in his visits when he comes. What can we do? And he said, let me think about it and come up with a plan. And so he thought all day, and he thought all night. And when the sun came up, he said, wife, I've got an idea. When Vulture comes back, you wrap me up in some palm leaves, tie me up real tight, and tell Vulture this is tobacco that we want to trade for corn in the other place. And his wife said, I can do that. And she wrapped him up as tight as could be. And it wasn't long in the afternoon that Vulture came flying in. Well, hello, Mrs. Turtle. How are you today? Oh, I'm in a mess. I'm in a terrible mess. My husband, Mr. Turtle, had left, and he'll be gone for a whole week, and he left me with no corn to eat. And it's such a long way because there's no corn around here. And all I have is this parcel of tobacco, which I was going to trade to get corn. But there's no corn in here, and it's such a long trip that I wouldn't be able to make it. Well, Vulture said, that really is a problem. Maybe I could help. Maybe I could take this over where there's corn at my place, and I'll trade it. And so Vulture took the package, and he flew up high into the sky to his nest. And as he was flying, a voice from the package said, oh, hi, old fellow. This is Turtle in here. And Vulture was just astonished at hearing his voice, that he dropped the parcel, and the parcel fell down, down, down to the ground, and Turtle's shell cracked in many places. And now today, Vulture stays at his home, and Turtle stays at his home, but those cracks never healed, and they are still there today. I like that story. And I liked it so much that there's another story about a turtle asking two birds to take a stick and fly him up to the sky, and then he fell again. And I wrote a song about that, and this is that song. This is the song called Turtle Crack Song, written by Gary Whitman. Turtle, turtle, what are you thinking about? Turtle, turtle, satin in the sun. Turtle, turtle, what are you thinking about? Thinking about having a good day of fun. Turtle was watching birds fly in the sky. He was wondering why can't I? Turtle came up with a brilliant plan. Bite onto a stick and hold on if you can. Turtle asking to see the sun. Turtle wanting to feel the warmth. Turtle asking the birds to fly himself, but Turtle couldn't shut his mouth. Down, down, down to the ground he fell, right into a wishing well. Splash, splash, splash upon the wall. Turtle rolled himself into a ball. Turtle reached around to feel his back. He felt great pangs along the crack. Turtle embarrassed to see his friends, and that's why his cracks go end to end. Turtle, turtle, what are you thinking about? Turtles sitting in the sun. Turtle, turtle, what are you thinking about? Thinking about having a good day of fun. My brother, Christopher Whitman, took this song, even though I had the tune already, he took it and put it to the guitar. And this next part of the video, our episode, is my brother Christopher Whitman playing this song for you. Okay, the song's called Turtles Crack, January 19th, 1995. Chris Whitman singing it, written by Gary Whitman.
Turtle, turtle, what are you thinking about? Turtle, turtle, sitting in the sun. Turtle, turtle, what are you thinking about? Thinking about having a good day of fun. Turtle was watching birds fly across the sky. He's wondering why can't I? Turtle came out with a brilliant plan. Bite a stick and hold on if you can. Turtle asking to see the sun. Turtle wanting to feel its warmth. Asking the birds to fly himself. But turtle couldn't shut his mouth. Down, down, down to the ground he fell. Right down through a wishing well. Splish, splash, splash up on the wall. Turtle rolled himself into the ball. Turtle reached around to feel his back. He felt a great big pain along the cracks. Turtle's embarrassed to see his friend, and that's why Turtle's crack goes into him. Turtle, turtle, what are you thinking about? Turtle, turtle, sitting in the sun. Turtle, turtle, what are you thinking about? I'm thinking about having a good day of fun.
And we thank you for joining us today on Once Upon a Time. Once Upon a Time by Gary Whitman. We've talked about Turtle's Cracks and how he got them. These are African folktales and American folktales, and you can also, like I said, you can find them in Thailand and other places all around the world. So look for them in your books at the library. Please subscribe to Gary Whitman and enjoy the stories, poetry, and songs as we go throughout the years.